Hola YouTube, welcome to Tres Dias of the Cancun trip. It's day 3. About to get some food. Don't know where we're getting food, but we're getting it. And then we're going to a beach. Don't know the name of the beach, but it is a beach. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow the IG, DominicB_photography. That will be in the description below. Let's enjoy this day. How was it?
It's pretty good.
I taste it. Oh, it's kind of low. Oh. I ordered pancakes and they bought me fresh fruit. I don't know how that happened. It got lost in translation.
I like to do it yourself after you work at the golf cart.
We've made it to the beach. Not as bad as yesterday. No seaweed out there, which is really nice. Yesterday had a lot of seaweed, as you saw. Pancakes were really good. How'd you like your quesadillas?
Quesadillas was good, phenomenal.
Nice. We're about to have a nice little beach day. Whoa, dark outside. We're going to get food. Yeah, we spent the whole day at the beach, which I said we were going to do. Are we getting seafood or Mexican? We're getting Mexican seafood. Hey, Jim Carrey.
Should have worn my other dress. In our outfit, we should have worn it. We can do another anniversary dinner.
We came to this super fancy restaurant. It looks like we're on like a pirate ship. I like it though.
Yeah, why did you get my drink in there?
Get it.
My bad.
What did you guys get? Alcoholics? Alcoholics. Good morning, it's the next day and we're going on the ferry. We're running late. I swear, every time we come down here, the lobby looks different. We're waiting to catch an Uber so we can get to our destination. The ferry is at 10. Yeah, we're going to a different island. We might go snorkeling if everybody wants to go. I'm pretty sure Emmanuel doesn't want to go snorkeling though. And I don't really care. It's really up to the girls.
What happened? You don't know the place. Most of the people show late.
Bro.
We have made it onto the ferry and it looks pretty nice.
Oh, well, I haven't found.
It's a little chilly, but it's a nice little break from the outside until we get back on the island. So, yeah. have made it to the island of Mujeres. We're trying to negotiate for a golf cart right now. Everybody's trying to sell us one for some crazy prices, but I guarantee we will find a golf cart. And the next vlog will be in the golf cart. It probably won't be. It'll probably be in the restaurant. Yeah, ordering right now.
Double or solo?
I got some lemonade, and I'm going to get the classic waffle. I've been holding myself to not get French toast.
Ham,
She got a ham and cheese croissant,
sausage,
and also lemonade.
potato salad.
She really likes copying what I get.
That's good.
It's lunches.
I'll bring it. Thank you so much.
I don't think I can handle spicy.
No, they don't think you can handle like a slice.
Yeah, okay.
I told you we would get ourselves a golf cart. First stop. Don't know where the first stop is, but looks cool, and I will probably take some pictures here. We're having technical difficulties parking this golf cart though, but we will get it, I promise. Yeah, that place got super busy.
I'll send them
We left just in time.
yellow.
We have arrived at our destination. Well, I don't even know if this is our destination.
Why is some
I'm pretty sure we're going to a beach, and I don't see a beach anywhere. So getting some pretty nice pictures. I don't know if I can see these iguanas right here. Like, they're real. We didn't know if they were fake or real or not. It's pretty crazy how like still they're standing. Look at them yawning. I approve this place. I approve. And we are gone. This has to be probably the most beautiful water we've seen while in Cancun. Beautiful place too, honestly. I think this is the first time I've taken out my camera without the GoPro. I think we're about to go to the actual beach now. So I will see you there. Time for us to leave the beach and catch the ferry back. Nicest beach. This water was pretty shallow, but I would rate this beach the best beach that we've went to. Very nice water, very spacious. I'm a beach expert, so you should listen to me. I will see you on the ferry. are back on the ferry. I went inside because I needed some AC. They went to the top because they wanted to watch the sunset. I would rate today the best day that we've had so far. I really like the island. We went to Island Mujeres, or Isle Mujeres. After we left the beach, we went shopping. As I think I took some clips of that, so y'all should be seeing clips of that. But yeah, I also filmed the POP video when we were at the beach. Actually, it was like a mix. It was like a photography vlog, and then after that, I went into like a POV video. So be looking forward to that. And when we get back, I think we're gonna eat. We might shower and eat, or we might go to the pool, shower, and then eat. So whatever happens, happens. You will see me again though.
And I feel like that's the only thing he expressed interest in.
I had some shrimp. It's cool.
Responded like this from the beginning of the trip.
We're getting food.
Oh, why is it still navigating?
Guess what I'm getting?
La Palacio introduced a lot of good
Tres tacos de camarón. Tres tacos de camarón.
I'm glad I didn't get that much of like the
You're good.
I'll set it up.
All the sauces.
In bed.